Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. It's a Notice 7 story. If you are solo stand and can't see other members, then this story isn't for you. You are on wrong channel. Watch the story carefully, then comment. Be respectful and don't embarrass yourself. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Not every house is a home. Some houses steal lullabies and replace them with fear, especially when mom isn't around to take care. T. Shivering cracked voice. Hangy. Cold. Loud thunder. Ah! Cookie hugged him tightly while hiding him in his lap. Hangy is here, Titi. Cookie Hangy will remove this cold. Don't be scared, said by rubbing his body. It was a cold, rainy night where loud thunder was thundering and lightning was flashing. Two little boys, a 6-year-old Cookie, was sitting on cold floor, and a 2-year-old Titi was laying on his Hyangi's lap, trying to get the warmth. Titi was burning in high fever and scared of loud thunder. Cookie was somehow trying to giving him comfort. He kept rubbing Titi's body. By the broken window of their cold dark room, cold breeze were coming and making the room more colder than before. Titi started crying because of coldness and high fever. They were hungry too. When Titi's fever increased, Cookie placed him on the pile of clothes and went to ask help from his stepdad. Titi followed Cookie while crying because he was so scared of stay alone. Cookie slowly knocked the door. Dada, new mama, please open the door. Dada, new mama. Stepdad opened the door. Now, what happened to you? Why do you come here? Stepmom walked to them. Now, who died? Why do you start crying again? By great difficulties. I just put my baby to sleep. You two want him to wake up again? Cookie shook his head vigorously while shivering hard. No, mama. This fever has increased. Can you please give food and medicine for Titi? Stepmom, there is no food. I gave you food in the morning. How much will this glutton eat? Don't disturb us. Looked at her husband. And what are you looking for? Close the door before they will wake up baby. Cookie, please don't do this. Titi is really burning. Please give me the medicine. Stepdad, haven't you heard what she said? There is no food and medicine. Go from here. Pushed Cookie and locked the door. Cookie fell on the floor. Ah! T hugged Cookie tightly. Hungry. Cookie again knocked the door. Dada, new mama. Cookie kept knocking the door because T's condition wasn't well. He was shivering hard. His body turned pale. Soon baby started crying. Now stepmom was very angry. She angrily unlocked the door and slapped Cookie for waking up new baby. She dragged him to the main door and threw him out. Titi went to them while crying hard. He bit her hand for throwing his cookie hangy out. Stepmom, I can't tolerate you two more in the house. Slapped Cookie and threw him out. Get lost from here. Tea bite her. Ah! Stepdad, you dare to bite my wife? Slapped Tea and threw him out too. Get lost! Don't you dare to come here again. Locked the door. Tea had hit on the hard concrete road. Ah! Cookie quickly picked him. Titi, don't cry. See, Cookie hungry is here. Cookie quickly carried him in his arms and ran to road. It was raining heavily with loud thundering and flashing the lightning. A few vehicles were passing by there. Cookie tried to stop them, but no one stopped while running. Barefoot on wet road, waterlogging road, he tripped and fell on the road. A car stopped just in front of him. He closed his eyes tightly and hugged Titi, fully covered him with his body. A man lowered the glass window of car and looked at him. Jungi, are you blind? Can't you see this big car? If you want to die, then go somewhere else and die. Move aside. Cookie looked at man. Sir. A tall man stepped down to move him, but Cookie grabbed his foot and asked for help. Another car stopped and two men came there. June, move aside. Can't you listen at once? Why are you blocking our way? Jimin, Hyang, what happened? Why are you shouting at him? June, he's blocking our way. Cookie grabbed Jimin's foot. Please help me. Jimin looked at Cookie. Hobie, go and beg somewhere else. I don't understand why people have kids when they can't raise them well. Jimki stepped down. Hey kid, leave his food and move aside. We don't have anything to give you. Cookie, I don't want anything. My brother is sick. Please help me. Jin came there. What's happening here? Jimin looked at Jin. Hyang, this boy is asking for help. June, it must be their new drama or our rivals' any move. Jimin, Hyang, please show some mercy. Maybe he genuinely needs our help. You should stop looking at everyone with suspicion. Hobie, and you should stop looking at everyone with kindness. Jimin, Jin Hyang, can't we help them? See, it's raining. These two boys aren't looking well. Please. Jin, get them in car. Let's go home. Left. Jin went to his car. Everyone wanted to argue, but Jin's words were final. Cookie's foot twisted because of tripping. Jimin helped him to get in the car. They all brought them home, where Hobie treated Titi, and he checked and found Cookie had the fever too, so Hobie treated him. Jin, gently applying ointment on his foot. It will be fine till the morning, okay? June came there. I opened the guest room hang and set the room heater too. Now room is ready. Jimin brought his old clothes. Sorry, I couldn't find any old soft clothes. I brought my some clothes. These are smaller clothes we have. I will cut them according to you. Tomorrow I will bring new clothes for you too. Jungi came there with soup. You can't eat medicine without food. Here, eat some soups. Hobie prepared the injection. Come and lay down. Hobie first injected T, who cried his lungs out. Jimin tried to pacify him, then he injected Cookie, but for everyone's surprise, he didn't cry, not even a single hiss, which shocked everyone. Jungi, you are brave, you didn't cry, and here is Jimin, who still put whole house on his head. Jimin, yeah, I will learn to be brave from you. Now eat the soup and rest. Cookie looked at soup, then everyone. I don't have money to pay you. June, you don't need to pay. Cookie, but I will pay you soon. Thank you for this food and medicine. Jin lovingly patted his head. You don't need to. Let me feed you this soup. Jin fed them soup. June and Jimin took both of them in guest room. Jimin cut the clothes according to them and made them wear. June gently tucked them in warm blanket. Titi and Cookie quickly slept because of injection. Time skipped in the morning. Warm sun rays were peeking through window. Everyone woke up and gathered in the living room. They found living room was clean. All the things were at their right place. Floor was neatly mopped, but they didn't have any maid who could do this. They were still in shock. Hobie swiped his fingers on the center table. What's this? Table is clean and shining. June, not only table but floor is shining too. It looks like someone was cleaned it by rubbing it with their hands. Jungi, even shoe racks are tidy. Jin, everything is so neat and clean. Hobie, don't tell me any ghost cleaned the house. June, since when did ghost become cleaning freak? Jimin ran to them. Hang, hang. Jungi, morning hasn't even started yet, but his running had already started. We are in the living room. Come here. Hobie, what happened now? Don't tell me ghost prepared food too as well as cleaning. Jimin, ghost? Cleaning? What are you saying, Hang? I came here to inform you that Titi and Cookie aren't in the guest room. June, they must be in the house. Let's go and search them. They all started searching Teacock in the house, but they weren't there. While searching them, they came near the garage and found a boy was scrubbing their jeep and another little boy was drying the car with clean cloth. They didn't take much time to realize that they were Cookie and Titi. They went to them. Jin, Cookie, Titi, what are you doing here? Jimin, yeah, why are you washing cars? Hobie, you both aren't well and started playing in water. Wear your clothes. Cookie turned to them. Sir. T. Achoo! 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 Fell on the ground while sneezing. Jungi, great, he got cold. June, why are you standing here? Answer us. We are asking something. Cookie, sir, we were just washing the car. Tea and Titi dry. Showed them dry clothes while cutely sniffing. Jungi snatched the script from Cookie's hand and washed his hand. Wash your hand. Jin, come inside. We will talk inside. Everyone came inside the house with tea cook. They all settled in the couch and tea cook were standing in front of them. Titi was hiding behind Cookie and peeking through Cookie's waist. They were looking scary. Jin, what were you doing there? Cookie, cleaning the vehicles. They were dirty, na? Cookie, wash them properly. Tea, while peeking through Cookie's waist. And Titi, dry. Wipe, Titi, wipe. Car, dry. June looked at Tea. You two tiny creature, you got tongue. Hobie, yesterday you were crying. Come here, let me check your temperature. Brought his medical bag and took out the thermometer. Tea, big moisture needle. Clutched Cookie's waist. No, Titi, no want big moisture needle. Cookie hungry. Cookie patted his head. Titi, this isn't injection. This is thermometer. Don't be scared. See, Cookie hungry is with you. Titi scared. Looked at everyone's face. Scary man. Cookie, Titi, they aren't scary. They are good men. This is their house. They gave us food and treated us. Say them thank you. Tea came out from behind him and bowed 90-degree. Thank you. Fell while bowing. Jungi, how much you fall? I'm sure you will break your bones while falling. Cookie, surely Titi is still learning. Help Tea to stand. Jimin, you don't need to wash the cars. Cookie and Titi need to wash the cars. Cookie has to repay you. You all helped us. So in the morning, Cookie and Titi clean the house and cars. Jungi widened his eyes. What? You cleaned the entire mansion? Cookie shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie and Titi cleaned only this room and cars. But don't worry, soon Cookie will clean whole house. Tea and Titi, wipe. June went to them and bent on his knees. You both are insane. Show me your hands. Showed their tiny red hands. See how red your hands are. What's the need to work? Who told you to work? Cookie, no one. Cookie needs to work for repay. Cookie doesn't have money to give you. Cookie always clean the house. Cookie's hands aren't hurting. Jimin, what? You are cleaning the house? Where is your mom? Aren't you going to school? Tea, Mama got house. New Mama, Dada, home. New Mama tiny baby, but new Mama no play. Titi, Cookie, hanky tiny baby. Hobie means Cookie means nothing. Our Mama died when Titi was few months old. Dada brought new Mama. New Mama has a cute little baby. Jin, your new Mama didn't treat you too well. She made you work? Cookie shook his head vigorously. No, new Mama is good. New mama has to take care of new baby na. So Cookie and Titi do all the cleaning work, said with a smile. Yugi pressed his cheek. Yeah, we all can see your new mama's love very well. Looked at T. Did she slap you too? T nodded his head vigorously. I wish new mama always beat Titi and Cookie hungry. June clenched his fist. And what's your dad doing? Didn't he stop her? T. Dada slap Cookie hungry and throw Cookie hungry. Titi bite new mama hand. Dada throw Titi out. Touched his forehead. Titi hurt. Road. Titi cry. Dada, new mama, no open door. Jimin, what type of ridiculous people are they? They abused little boys. How can they do this? Cookie went to Jin and slowly tugged his pants. Sir, can Cookie and Titi stay here? Cookie will do all the works. When Cookie will big, Cookie will repay all the amounts. Please, Cookie and Titi will stay in this room. Cookie and Titi don't want anything. Jin. Now onwards, you two stay here. It's your home too. Touched his face. Forget your past. You will get everything here. You don't need to work. You two must be hungry. I will prepare food. Sit here and cover yourself with warm blanket. Okay? Jimin, take care of them. Jin prepared the breakfast and everyone was eating. Jin prepared a special breakfast for Titi and Cookie. Hobby was feeding Titi, who was happily eating. Cookie was eating like a bird. Jin, Cookie, what happened? Why aren't you eating? Don't you like it? I will prepare something else. Just give me a few minutes. Cookie, no, sir. Food is tasty. Thank you. Jin, then why aren't you eating? Eat properly. Cookie, Titi isn't well. Titi will be hungry at night, so I am saving it for Titi. Titi loves to eat food. Everyone stopped eating and looked at each other's face with same questionable eyes. Hobby, Cookie, won't you get food? Tea. New mama food only morning. Dada say no money waste food. Useless burdens. Said happily while eating. June controlled his anger. You don't need to starve yourself. Here you will get the food whenever you want, and that too how much you want to eat. Whatever you want to eat, just tell us, okay? Place the food in front of his mouth. Open your mouth. T tapped Cookie's shoulder. Cookie hungry. Food tasty. Cookie looked at his happy face. Titi eat well, okay? June stuffed the food in Cookie's mouth. And you eat well, okay? And call us Hyang, not sir. Lovingly patted Cookie's head and Cookie hugged him tightly. Jimin. Jin Hyang, wait. Jin. Say. Jimin hugged him tightly. Thank you so much. Jin hugged him back. Thank you, but why? Jimin still hugging him. Today, after seeing Cookie and hearing him, I realized how elder sibling love and silently sacrificed for younger one, and younger one didn't even notice. I'm the youngest. I must have given you all a very hard time. I never said thank you to any of you. Jin smiled. You never gave us any hard time. It's elder siblings' duty to take care of them and protect them from all the problems. We all just fulfilled our duty. Cookie is also doing that. Jimin. Cookie is more mature than his age. He is just a 6-year old, but talks about repaying us and doing the household works. Jin. Maturity has nothing to do with age, Jimin. Without parents, especially mom, kids become mature in a very young age. Cookie saw so many things in the age where he should only study and enjoy his childhood. His childhood was stolen due to family's condition. There is nothing new. Still, so many children are living the same life. We are blessed that we get the chance to save two kids' life and secure their future. Now, don't think much. We have to go on grocery shopping for Titi and Cookie. Hobie and June already left along with Titi to buy clothes and other stuffs for them. Jimin, yeah, I'm ready, but don't know where Yoongi Hang went with Cookie. Cookie, scared. Why did you bring me here, Hangi? Jinny Hangi said Cookie and Titi can stay with you all in your house. Yoongi, shh, relax. We came here just for some peaceful conversation. Circled his neck and clicking his neck and hand bone. Just tell me, it's your home? Cookie slowly nodded his head. Yes. Men, boss, we are here. Cookie, scared to look at men and clutch Yoongi's arm. Yoongi. Yoongi, don't be scared. They are my men. Let's go inside. Yoongi stepped down from car along with Cookie. He already collected all the information about T-Cook's step-parents. He kicked the door with his whole strength and door wide opened. He went inside only with Cookie. Stepdad, mad. What's this nonsense? This is the way to enter someone's house? Stepmom, while carrying baby. Why are you wasting time to talk with him? Call the cops. Yoongi sat on the chair and took out his mobile. Whom do you want to talk? Police commissioner? Stepdad, who are you? Looked at Cookie, who was standing behind him. Oh, so you brought Goon to take revenge? Cookie shook his head vigorously. No, Dad. Stepdad, what no, I shouldn't have leave you like this. Went to him and raised his hand to slap him. Yoongi held his hand. Don't you dare to show your strength on child. Be a man and show your strength on me. Left his hand. Stepdad, who are you? Why did you come here? Yoongi, why did you throw them out of their own house? Stepmom, it's my house, not these useless brat. And why did you bring him here? We don't want him. Yoongi looked at her. He is your husband's child. Stepdad, he isn't my son. I just married his sick mom for her property, but later I found out she had nothing except this house. I raised them enough. Now I don't have money to waste on these useless brat. Let them die. One burden less. Yoongi looked at Cookie. Cookie, don't be scared. I'm here. Tell me, what do you want? Should I break their bones or just kill them? Tell me. I will do whatever you say. Just tell me. Look at them. They hurt you and your brother. Cookie looked at his step parents, then Yoongi.
Yankee, Cookie doesn't want anything. Cookie's mama said if we hurt others, we won't be happy. Cookie doesn't want to hurt Dada and new mama. New baby will be hurt na. Cookie doesn't want to hurt new baby. Can't we go home back? Titi must be waiting for Cookie.
Yoongi smiled. Of course we will go back. Called his men and wear him headphones. Go with Hyang and enjoy the music. I will come soon. Then go back to home, okay? Cookie
Oti.
left with men. Yoongi turned to step parents. Just look at the kid. You two beat him, didn't give him food, made him work like a maid, snatched his childhood, forced him to become big at the age of 6. But he still didn't want to hurt you. Too. Do you have any shame? Still, there is no regret in your eyes. He is an innocent child. He is an angel who forgives you too. But I am not. I am the devil. As he said, I won't harm you too. But you have to bear the consequence of your wrong deeds. Looked at the house. For this house, you played with an innocent soul and married. You threw out 2 kids in cold and rainy night, that too when they were burning in high fever. It's the time to repay what you did. Looked at his men. Except this small and dark room where they forced Teacock to live, demolish whole house. Make sure not a single thing should be at single piece. Looked at a small baby who was crying. Leave the baby stuffs. Stepmom, what? No, you can't do this. It's my house. Yoongi showed his in stepdad's mouth. You wouldn't have even thought of what I can do. I'm sparing you just because of Cookie. Said by looking at his stepmom. Don't force me to change my mind. Stepmom, who are you? Yoongi pulled back his and smirked. The one whom you wouldn't have thought to meet in your wildest dream. Mafia King Kim Yoongi. Hearing Mafia, step-parents' face turned pale. Yoongi came back to his car where Cookie was, wearing headphones and waiting for him. Yoongi drove off with Cookie. Yoongi's men were demolishing the house. Yoongi, Cookie, do you want to eat ice cream? Cookie,
Ice cream?
Yoongi, it's a cold dessert. It comes in different flavors and colors. Cookie,
I know ice cream, Hanky, but didn't Dr. Hanky told Cookie and Titi to not eat cold things?
Yoongi, don't listen to him. Nothing will happen by one ice cream, and you know cold things defeat cold. Cookie smiled.
Oti, Cookie will eat ice cream. Can Cookie bring one for Titi?
Yoongi, no. We can't bring anything for Titi. If Jin Hyang finds out, he will beat me by his pink frying pan. But we can bring a cute pulsey for Titi. Cookie smiled brightly.
Oti, thank you, Hanky.
Yoongi, it's all right. just smile. Don't let your smile fades away behind your brother's smile. It deserves to shine too, said by ruffling his hair. Abuse destroys childhood, but kindness can rebuild it. Real strength isn't in revenge, but in protecting the innocent. Abuse steals a child's voice, but kindness teaches them to hope again. True justice protects the innocent while holding the guilty accountable. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting pain, nor does mercy cancel consequence. Family isn't defined by blood, but by those who choose to love, stay, protect, and heal you. Sometimes saving a life is the first step to saving a soul. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Some people have been demanding cook-centric story for some times. Now let's see whether they are interested in watching it or just in demanding it. Maturity has nothing to do with age. A child who has just grown up in the abusive family is much more mature and value things than the elders there. Abuse isn't limited to just physical violence. Mental torture is also included in it. Sometimes we just neglect these things which happen in our society, but its impact is huge. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with a new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.